makakita ko sa camera.
Hirap naman ito, dalawa kasi tayo. Kita ka naman. Gumanon ka pa para mas kita ka.
Ito?
Ayan. Pero kita ka.
Okay, good morning.
One-on-one session.
One-on-one session na. Okay, ang discussion ko ngayon is about Learning Module 3, which is LibreOffice 3.6 to 4.0 kasi yan. Ngayon, yung bago, 4.0. And it's similarity to Microsoft Office.
Hindi natanong ko eh, bakit 3.6?
So,
may versions, parang versions
naman. From 3.4, tapos naging 3.6, tapos ngayon yung latest.
May 4 na.
4.0.
Pero ang gamitin natin 3.6.
Oo, 3.6. Pero pwede na rin gamitin yung 3.0, yung 4.0 sa ngayon. Pero kasi yung naka-install sa atin, nung tagal na kasi yung in-install ko, ano siya, 3.6 talaga.
Yan ba yung naka-install dun sa computer mo?
Oo.
Ah.
Yung, siyempre, yung ibig sabihin ng libre, which means free. Nasa Office, yung Office, yung mismong nakalagay mo, tulad nung sa Microsoft Office.
Yung Microsoft Office na natin yun, may license.
Oo, meron yung Microsoft Office natin license. Ito naman, libre to. Kumbaga, kahit ang pagkakaiba nga nila, free nga kasi siya. So, hindi ka pwede, kahit hindi ka na magbayad, okay na.
Pinoy yung gumawa niya na.
Sabi nila, Pinoy, kasi
libre.
word na
Oo.
libre. Yung ano. Kasi kung hindi na free office, sarang gano'n. Kung ano.
Oo. Hindi, baka Spanish.
Yung pinaka-objective natin is to equip TDC employees with the knowledge of LibreOffice, text documents, spreadsheets, and presentation in its features. The program will also include a discussion of similarity or difference on Microsoft Office, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. Yung presentation, katulad lang siya ng MS PowerPoint. Hindi ko na muna siya sinama kasi dito, wala naman masyadong gumagamit ng PowerPoint. So, wala naman nagpe-present. Ako lang nagpe-present. So, actually, yun yung nagamit. LibreOffice features. LibreOffice is a comprehensive, professional, quality, productivity suite that we can download and install for free. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng libre, which is free. There's a large base of satisfied LibreOffice users worldwide, and it is available in more than 30 languages and for all major operating systems, including Microsoft Windows, XP, una yan yung XP, Vista, Windows 7, ngayon Windows 8.
Ah, so pwede na din?
Tapos Mac OS X, GNU or Linux. Yung Linux, yun yung, kumbaga doon tayo ma-migrate. Magkakaroon kasi migration. Yung mga ng Linux yun, Debian, Ubuntu. Sa atin ngayon, yung Ubuntu yung gagamitin. Ano siya? Ubuntu, pero Mint version. And Fedora Mandriva specific. You can download, install, and distribute LibreOffice freely. You know if you're copyright. Wala siyang copyright eh, kung baka...
So, paano kung hindi ka yung gumagawa niya?
Hindi ko sure eh. Yung ano nila dyan. What's outstanding about LibreOffice? LibreOffice is a feature-packed and mature-ness productivity package with some really great advantages. So, it's free.
Only because it's free.
Yeah, no worry about license costs or annual fees. No language barriers, it's available in a large number of languages. More being added continually. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka mag-download ng languages from it. Tapos parang sa Microsoft din. Pero sa Microsoft kasi, pagkakaiba niya, yung may bayad.
Diba? Pag ibang language, may...
Pwede mo siya i-download, pero kailangan meron pa.
Parang
kasi yun.
Parang for a short period of time sa
And GPL public license, you can use it, customize it, hack it, and copy it
Grabe
with
yung
user
hack.
support and developer support from our active worldwide community and our largest experience developer team. Ibig sabihin yung nag-develop niya, pag ang ginawa niya, ano siya, parang nag-sharing ng na application, mag-gano'n niya.
So, parang hindi ang siya, parang
dito, Hindi na siya na dalawang isip or hindi man niya inisip kung kikita ba ako dito. Hindi. Ginawa niya siguro para magamit ng ibang tao. Tsaka, para mapili. Halimbawa, kasi kung tutusin, kung maraming nakakalat niya, ibig sabihin, hindi na sila bibili naman ng office na license. Yan na lang download nila. Pero syempre, kailangan pa nila.
Konti lang bang nakakalam?
Sa ngayon, onti lang. Kasi hindi nila binobroadcast yan. Kumbaga, kung sino lang yung mga nagtuturo, yun yung. Kasi kung ako, pwede ko ituturo sa school namin, pwede ko i-tawag dito. Kumbaga sa mga classmates ko rin, pwede ko siyang sabihin, ito, try nyo gamitin ito para hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng license na. Kumbaga meron niyang downloadable track version, pero kailangan mo pa rin ng serial numbers nun para ma-activate. Sa Microsoft yun, pero dito hindi na kasi kailangan. LibreOffice is a free software community-driven project. Ibig sabihin, mga gumawa ng developer nito, ginawa talaga nila para parang for community project. Development software to new talent and new ideas, and our software is tested and used daily by a large and devoted user community. You too can get involved in its future development. Para siya
Pwede ko para i-upgrade.
LibreOffice gives you high quality. The roots of LibreOffice go back 20 years. This long story means it's stable and functional product. Thousands of users worldwide regularly take a part in beta testing of LibreOffice version. Bisa meron din siya, kung may testing siya, meron siyang beta version bago i-release. Because the development process is completely open, LibreOffice has been extensively tested by security experts, giving you security and peace of mind. Yan. Kasi yung, kumbaga sinasabi nila security, dun sa mismong, papaliwanag yung mamaya, papakita ko. Meron siyang password protected. Kumbaga, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng password. LibreOffice is user-friendly. Pag user-friendly in terms na kung sanay ka na. Pero kung hindi pa, syempre, malilito ito ka. You get a simple to use yet powerful interface that is easy to personalize. Microsoft Office user will find the switch easy and painless with a familiar look and feel. Ibig sabihin, lang yun talaga eh. Kumbaga, kapareho ng Microsoft. Yung kung ano yung nasa Microsoft, kumbaga halos magkapareho sila eh. Kunti lang yung difference nila. Compatible with all major competitors' file formats, you can easily import files from Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many other formats. Then you can easy save Microsoft Office and other formats when needed. Kumbaga meron siyang ibang format kung sisave mo. Mamaya papakita ko sa akin.
Baka lang nag-work before sa Microsoft yung gumawa nito.
Kaya alam mo na yun. LibreOffice yun. Kasi tutusin, malamang pinag-aralan niya yung Microsoft Office. Yung mga binaster na muna din, gumawa siya ng software na sariling version na. Kung gusto niya kasi free, ayaw niya ng magabayad ng bayad. Tulong niya na rin sa mga kilala niya. LibreOffice is supported by a big worldwide community. Ibig sabihin, meron din itong marami nakita ko kasi meron talagang sila, kumbaga merong kumuha nung software, tapos pag sinusupport natin, gusto nila ito i-distribute. Kahit yung mga pagsiseminar, meron dyan yung sa website nila. Meron silang ginagawang seminar, kumbaga sa ibang lugar, tapos pinapalawan mo. Volunteers help newcomers and advanced user developers can collaborate with you to find solution to complex issues. Kung sinasabi nilang complex issues dito, yung mga hindi mo maintindihan pagdating sa Word, kung baka may mga hinahanap ka, yung mga formulas, mga hindi hinahanap sila. What does LibreOffice give you? Writer. Ito yung Word. Katumbas siya ng Word. So, is the word processor inside LibreOffice. Use it for everything, from dashing of a quick letter, producing an entire book with tables of contents, embedded illustrations, bibliographies, and diagrams. The value type, auto-completion, auto-formatting, and automatic spelling checking make difficult tasks easy, but are easy to disable if you prepare. Writer is powerful enough to tackle accomplishing tasks such as creating multi-column newsletters and brochures. The only limit is your imagination. Ibig sabihin, yung ginagamit nila ba, gusto mong gumawa ng newsletter, brochures, nakikita mo sa newspaper, yung mga may column, diba, pwede mo siya. Mas madali nga siya kung tutusin. Basta, kailangan mo na siya pag-aralan mo. Calculator, yung calc na sinasabi nito, ito yung katumbas naman ng Excel. Ito yun, spreadsheet siya. Kumbaga, ang nakalagay dyan kasi, spreadsheet, hindi siya calc. So, times yung numbers and helps you difficult decisions when you're weighing the alternatives. Analyze your data with count and then use it to present your final output. Charts and analysis tools help bring transparency to your work conclusions. A fully integrated help system makes easier work of entering complex formulas. Add data from external databases such as SQL or Oracle. Yung SQL na yan, na sinasabi nila or Oracle, yan yung kumbaga dito sa Philippines, yung pinaka-base, mga pinaka-main na distributor ng software, yung Oracle. For example na lang dyan, yung mga programs na may Java. Kadalasan sila talaga ng kumbaga pagdating sa programming, sila yung pinaka-nang. Then sort and filter them to produce statistical analysis. Use the graphing function to display large number of 2D and 3D graphics from 13 categories including line, area, bar, pie, x and y, and net, with the dozens of variations available. Be sure to find one that suits your project. Yan, ginagamit yan nila sa accounting. Yan, Impress. Ito naman yung katumbas na PowerPoint. It's the fastest and easiest way to create effective multimedia presentations. Stunning animation and sensational special effects help you convince your audience. Create presentations that look even more professional than the standard presentations you commonly see at work. Get your colleagues and bosses' attention by creating something a little bit different. So, pwede ba siya? Siyempre, kaya tulad nito, mga pwede mo rin, yung ginawa ko sa Microsoft, pwede rin gawin sa LibreOffice. Ito, ang pagkakaiba naman ito, mayroong draw. Draw tsaka base. Itong draw lets you build diagrams and sketches from scratch. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so why not try something simple with box and line diagrams? Or else, further and easily build dynamic 3D illustration special effects. It's as simple as powerful as one iterate.
Hindi ba yung paint?
Iba siya sa paint eh.
Kasi more on boxes and lines.
More on boxes and lines. No. So base is the database front end of the LibreOffice suite. With base, you can simply... Itong base na to, meron din siya sa Word database naman. Pero short lang ng database. You simply integrate your existing database structures in the other components of LibreOffice or create an interface to use and administer data as a standalone application. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-database. Kung gagawa ka ng database program, pwede mo gamitin. Pero, syempre, kailangan may alam ka sa programming languages. Pag wala ka alam sa programming languages, tulad ko, major ko, hardware, network, software, pero hindi ko yung, kumbaga, hindi ko gamay yung programming. So ngayon, parang tinutukan ko kasi yung sa hardware. Mga repairing na PC, so you can use imported and linked tables and queries from MySQL. Ito yan yung sasabing programming ng SQL. Postgres, SQL, or Microsoft Access. Ayan, itong Microsoft Access na to, ito yung ginagamit natin na database for yung NIDECA biometric attendance. Yan yung ginagamit. So, and many other data sources or design your own with base to build powerful front ends with sophisticated forms, reports, and views. Support is built in or easily addable or very wide range of database products. Notably, the standardly provided SHQL, yung high SQL, MySQL, Adabasti, Microsoft Access, and PostgreSQL.
So, seminar ng kayo na lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede sandal.
Ano ba?
Lagay mo daw muna yung link.
Ah.
Tapos sabi.
Sige, ma'am. Kaya.
Ikaw lang mag-isa.
Kasi may pasok ako mamaya. Iwan ka.
Ah.
Bahala ako na
Sige, start mo na natin. Kasi hindi ko may stop. Kasi hindi ko may
Bakit pag i-stop or i-stop?
Ha?
Ba't pag hindi siya na-stop?
Hindi. Hindi tayo mag-i-stop.
Kasi sayang din